that thing fired right up. How does it idle at 700?
Huh?
How does it idle at 700?
It's got a super stock cam in it.
Super stock cam. That damn thing sounds like it's got a Don Garlis cam in it or something. What's all been done to the engine of that one?
This,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just got some flat top pistons in it.
Flat top?
Yeah. Got a 700 lift cam.
Some of it sounds like it's got something more than that in it. What kind of hitch you putting on that one? What kind of hitch does this one got on it? Yeah. I think I swore it's all that. It's the heads. That's how you get them things to run so good, ain't it? I can smell that cam too. Cooking. Damn. It's like going to freaking drag strip. Have you took it down the track? You gonna let? Or are you gonna take it down? Or are you gonna let Tony run it down? Or are you gonna run it down?